Are you ready? Today we are going to see how we can write a YouTube engaging script with the artificial intelligence. So this way you can eliminate the need of having a script writer write a script for your automated YouTube channel. So let's see how you can write a engaging YouTube script using AI. So let's first thing is you need to go to this specific website and go here. It is an artificial intelligence tool, and this is what you need to do. In here, you have to paste this text something like this. Write an engaging YouTube script about, and here you can write the topic. Just press enter, and there you go. Now you have a script ready, and artificial intelligence is writing an engaging script. But that's not all. If it is at all, this video would have been 1 minute. But there are a lot of things that we need to correct in this one to write a perfect attention grabbing and high quality script. So that being said, let's see how we can do that using this tool exactly. So first thing I would do is I would actually copy this text that it has generated and go here and I will paste it. Yeah, you can see, but here you can see if I on the word count, there is just only like 200 words, and for minimum there should be like 500 words at least for a script of YouTube about a 4-minute video also. That being said, so I will write here. So now let's see what are the changes that I will bring in, what are the script they are going to write. So you can see in here first it is starting and there's not much of a difference if you look into this paragraph, but let's see how it goes. Now okay, here the beta version, and let's copy this and replace this. And even now also there's like one page and there's about 500 words, which is obviously better than previous one, but of course there need to be some things that need to be improved. So in here the best thing is that it's not good to start a script with hi and welcome to your channel, and so let's tell that. Let's see what AI have to say about this. And now you can see the difference here. Are you ready to learn more about the future? It is asking a question and it is actually gaining the audience attention. So you can see here, this is a much better open. So I will copy this and then I will go and in here, I will remove this high part and I will paste this. And you can see now we have a better opening that will get more engagement. Another thing is that key point in the scripts that it's the middle part of the one should actually introduce some new news and makes the people more focused on that. So to keep the retention. So let's write that in here also. You can see it is rewriting this part one way that AI could change. So from let's see, we have to copy from there and replace that paragraph. So here what you can do is you can actually copy this and you can actually go here and replace those parts that you want and make it fine if you are actually doing it from the start. So if I go here and if I replace this text and here, you can see we will have a better one here. So the thing with AI is you can't actually write just like this and generate one good script. You have to actually talk with it and to make the script better. The good thing is once you do this and if you go and write like a new one, it will actually make a better script. So let's just use some other one and write another script, and here we can actually write and attention grabbing from YouTube video script about Let's try something else about how it's our jobs, which is like a little bit different than the previous one. And let's see. Now you can see it is written a new script. So what you can do is you can go to docs.google.com and create a new page, and I can paste this new script and ask it to write a separate opening for like attention grabbing. Can you change the opening for more attention grabbing? And once you do that, you can see they will write a revised one, and you can actually take that part. So other thing you can do is you can actually same way write a new ending for the script or middle part or anything that you want. You just have to tell this open AI or chat GPT what you want, and it will rewrite the script for you. And that way you can actually increase and modify your script and make a better quality one. Don't write just one thing and take the whole script, because it will have not that much engaging script. The thing is that you have to instruct AI to make a good and better script that will get more views. So if this tool finds helpful, leave a comment below and help subscribe to the channel to help me make more videos like this. Thank you.